You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert Excel file to image with Python. That image may be JPG, PNG or BMP. This is an example of Excel worksheet which we will convert into an image. After conversion, this worksheet will be look like an image. Let's start. First of all, we will install all necessary packages by using Anaconda command prompt in administrative mode. Here base is the by default virtual environment. You can also create virtual environment in DOS command prompt. First of all, we will activate our virtual environment by using pip manager. We will install first package, that's name is Win32com, and second package will be Pillow for image processing. Next I am showing you the folder where I have saved both the Excel file and Python source code file. EMP1 is the Excel file. Both files are stored in Windows folder. This is the Excel file with 6 column and 11 row. First row is 1 and first column is 1, and here there are 11 rows, so 11 rows and 6 column. This Excel file has only one worksheet, that's name is EMP. I have also changed the background color of worksheet to red. Next we will do coding in Spider IDE where my Python version is 3.7. My environment is Anaconda. First of all, we will import all necessary libraries. Our first library is Win32com.client and second library is Pillow. Here Pillow will be used for image processing. Here PIL represent Pillow where we are importing image grep class that will be used to capture the Excel sheet as an image and save the data to clipboard. Next, by using dispatch function of Win32com.client package, we will open the Excel application in background and create an object. The name of object is Excel. Next, we will hide and disable all the alerts that may be aroused by Excel application. Next we will set the path of Excel file. Here I am only including Excel file name without any path because Excel file and Python source code file both are in same folder, so there is no need. Next we will set the path of newly created image after conversion. Here I am not specifying any path, so this file will be stored in the same folder where Python source code file is stored. Here I am setting the format of image is BMP. You can also set as JPG or PNG. Next, by using Excel object, we will open our Excel file. Here Excel file is called workbook. Here WB represents our opened Excel workbook. Next we will open all our worksheet. In this application we have only one worksheet, so we will specify the name of our worksheet, that's name is EMP. I have also changed the background color of Excel file to red. If you want to convert all worksheets to images, then you will have to use for loop and don't specify any worksheet name in worksheet function. Here I am specifying worksheet name, that is EMP, because we have only one worksheet in our workbook. Next we will set the range of cells in our worksheet. We want to convert whole worksheet to image, so we will select our first row and first column will be 1, 1. Our last range is 11,6 because there are 11 rows and 6 columns. Here you are free to select any cell range. Next we will copy our selected cells as an bitmap image and store the data to clipboard. Format equal to 2 means bitmap image. Next we will grab the data stored in clipboard and save that data to img variable. Next we will save this data as an image. Next run the application. In output window it is showing attribute error. This error raised because Python is unable to save captured data as an image. To resolve this error, I have a solution. First of all, we will create an empty workbook in memory. Next, select first active worksheet and then paste the captured data to this worksheet from the clipboard. Next, set the shape of active worksheet as a picture and then copy this active worksheet. Rest process is same. Now Python easily capture the data and save this data as an image. Next we will close the open workbook. Here we also ensure that selection of cells and conversion will not affect the data of original worksheet. So we will pass the parameter save changes equal to false. Second parameter is Excel file name which we want to close. Next print the message that we have successfully converted Excel to image. Now we have created the program. Next run the program. In output window it is showing the message that Excel to image conversion successful. It means this program has created a BMP file in our root folder. So now I have opened our root folder and this is the output BMP file. First of all, I am showing you the Excel file. This is the Excel file which we have converted to image, and next I am opening the image. This is the image after conversion. In this way you can convert all the worksheet to images. If you like this tutorial then kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.